Hello health champions! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best beauty and health tips to keep you looking and feeling your best. Today, we're diving into an amazing anti-aging secret, mixing cornstarch with water. Yes, you heard that right. This simple mixture can help you look 20 years younger. Let's explore how it works and why it's so effective. Cornstarch is a common kitchen ingredient, but did you know it has powerful beauty benefits? It's rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can nourish your skin, reduce fine lines, and enhance your natural glow. Combined with water, it creates a natural mask that tightens and rejuvenates your skin. The science behind cornstarch and anti-aging. So, how does cornstarch work its magic? The secret lies in its ability to form a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture and boosting collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic, but its production decreases as we age. Using cornstarch can help stimulate collagen production and maintain your skin's youthful appearance. How to prepare the cornstarch mask. Let's get into the practical part, how to make and apply this incredible anti-aging mask. Here's what you'll need. 1. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2. 3 tablespoons of water. 3. A small mixing bowl and spoon. Step 1. In the bowl, mix the cornstarch with water until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Step 2. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. Step 3. Using a brush or your fingers, apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Step 4. Let the mask sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to dry completely. Step 5. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Enhancing the mask with extra ingredients. For an extra boost, you can enhance this mask with a few additional ingredients. Aloe vera gel adds hydration and soothes the skin. Honey has antibacterial properties and adds moisture. Lemon juice brightens the skin and fades dark spots. Simply add 1 teaspoon of any of these ingredients to your cornstarch mixture for added benefits. Tips for maximizing benefits. To get the most out of your cornstarch mask, here are a few tips. 1. Consistency is key. Use the mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. 2. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to support skin health from the inside out. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful anti-aging secret using cornstarch and water. Try this at home and let us know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our beauty tips and health hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful and stay young.